कोडिंग दिन भर करनी होती है, इतना काम, मतलब दिन भर क्या ही कोडिंग करेंगे। एक टाइम के बाद अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट बन गया तो उसके बाद उसकी क्या कोडिंग करेंगे। तो दिन भर और पूरे महीने 30 डेज रहता है काम कोडिंग का, या मतलब क्या, वो एक जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन।
मैं बताता हूँ, हो सकता है संदीप अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम कर रहा हो, एक ओवर तो दूसरा शुरू। मैं पिछले 6 साल से एक ही एप्लीकेशन पे काम कर रहा हूँ, कोडिंग। तो यस, यू विल हैव टू डू इट। ऐसा नहीं कि दिन भर कोडिंग कर रहे हो, 300 दिन कोडिंग कर रहे हो, नहीं। दिन भर में if I break down my days, I spend 4 to 5, sometimes 6, 7 hours just communication, talking to the teams, and demographically distributed teams, not all in the same town. It's a distributed team. So communication eats up a lot of time remaining. Sometimes as you grow higher in the industry with the experience, now you don't code that often compared to an entry level software engineer. You participate more on design discussion. You do more of a code review than writing code on your own. You have your team writing the code and you review it. But come up with a high level design, or if you have teams coming up with the design, then you meet with them and review those designs before they can be implemented through the coding. When we say code is not the ultimate thing that we do or that goes in software industry. That's only 10-20% of the thing. So don't think service like the software engineering or software service engineering is only coding. 20% only. Most of the time go requirements, communication, coming up with a high level design. Once you have that, then you break down to low level design. Review them, make sure that that's good before you jump on coding. If you start coding and if you have any question or things are not working, then you redo those things, which is time consuming. That's not effective. So before you write code, you want to make sure that you have requirements all sorted out, well designed. So you just go and write. For that, testing. The amount of time they spend coding, I think it's more or less the same time spent on testing. So there are different types of testing being done. Not just you write a code, you launch the program, or you open a website and you see the content and done. No, a lot of different types of testing goes on. So yeah, your question.
Yeah.
Full day coding, 30 days coding, no. And months after months, year after year coding. Yeah, you continue, you keep doing the code. You keep building the software. You patch, say you wrote a function, but a bug was found, you'll fix that. These type of things keep coming, new requirements keep coming, and we keep coding. But not only coding, there are a bunch of other things that go hand in hand with coding.
Is that same with you also, Sandeep?
So I'll try to come up with few more scenarios. So Shailendra explained his current roles and responsibilities maybe, but when you start in your early days, I'll say if you join as a developer somewhere or if you do coding at your own, yes, you will be coding, right? Somebody will be giving you requirements and you will be coding. And then once you start climbing up the ladder, that's a different story. Then you need to get involved in several other things, like he explained, starting from the requirement gathering, feasibility study, high-level designs, low-level designs, managing the team, creating policy, making the team bonding strong, and whatnot. Many things you will have to do. But yeah, for somebody who is starting up, so now there are two angles to see. Two angles from which we can see this. So as you said, do I need to code entire day, 30 days? The answer is, imagine two different people. One is smoker and other one is chain smoker. राइट?
Yeah.
सो द चेन स्मोकर guy, जो चेन स्मोकर है उसको ही वोंट रियलाइज, आप उसको 100 पैकेट दे दो दिन में, वो फूंक डालेगा, उसके लिए कोई बहुत बड़ा एफर्ट नहीं है उसमें, राइट? उसको 100 पैकेट फूकने में उसको कुछ जा नहीं रहा है। तो ऐसे ही होते हैं कोडर्स एंड डेवलपर्स, दे गेट एडिक्टेड टू इट और दिन रात का फर्क फिर हट जाता है। यू वोंट रियलाइज द डिफरेंस कि अब मुझे खाना खाना है, अब मुझे सोना है, या रात हो गई, ऑल दोज थिंग्स विल गेट वैनिश फ्रॉम योर लाइफ।